Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Affirm's pre-qualification tool. It's going to be a really quick video. Let's not waste any more time, let's get straight into it. So first step is to go to Affirm's website, and then you're going to sign into your account. And once you sign into your account, you want to click on get pre-qualified. Next, you're going to provide your personal and your financial information. That's going to include your income, your employment status, and of course your credit score. Next, you're going to review your pre-qualified loan offers, including its interest rates, repayment terms, and its monthly payment amount. Next, you're going to select a loan offer and proceed with the application. Next step is to review and accept the loan terms if they fit what your requirements. And then once that's done, just sign the loan agreement electronically, and you can review and agree to Affirm's terms of service and privacy policy. And once that's done, just wait for Affirm to review your application and provide a decision. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Affirm's pre-qualification tool. Hope you guys like the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.